since you're in there anyway, I'm gonna hold you on a $250 bond, so you get credit. And I will appoint Alexander Ball to represent you, no contact with the victim, and Justice Court will see you on this December 1st at 1 p.m.
So I have a question. Will it be resolved? I'm waiting to go to prison on my felony charges. So I just want to make sure it's resolved by then. And that should be by the beginning of January.
Yeah, talk to Mr. Ball about it, and that will be
Okay.
perfect. So you got a DOC hold?
No, I'm waiting to sign my second plea, which should be signing for prison.
Yeah, I'm sure that Mr. Ball will take that into consideration and work something out for you. So talk to
All
him, okay? All
All
right,
right, thanks.
okay.
So ma'am, sit right here.
Good evening, the Spanish interpreter. According to the list, I don't see there's Spanish speakers requiring an interpreter. May the court confirm?
Yes, no interpreter, and you can be excused. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Interpreter will now disconnect.
Okay,
Your Honor.
Yeah.
Jail here, Mr. Yard John refused.
okay. That's one down. That's good.
So we're gonna try with it? Yes. Oh, never mind. I have.
What?
You know,
You have Mr. Yard? Is this Mr.
no, this is sorry. This is Miss Thomas, Your Honor. I was told the sergeant to try to get Mr. Yard to find him.
Oh,
I'm Valerie Hayes.
all right. Let's see.
Valerie Hayes.
I don't need you, ma'am. You don't go to sit over there.
Okay.
Now you totally confused me. All right. What are we doing?
I
Waiting.
apologize.
That's okay. Are we waiting for Mr. Yard now?
Hello, Your Honor. I was having a discussion with Mr. Yard, and he'll be on his way soon, I think.
Okay. We don't even have anyone named Valerie, right? She was totally not.
No, that was to be the wrong person.
Okay.
So am I going back to?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just gonna pull that school tracker staff.
Sit down to.
Who's in play? That's what's this thing.
Only the wrong person. I said Thomas on the one. Can you give 10 Thank you. Bye. Your Honor, is it right? We skip to the start the misdemeanors?
Yeah, that's fine.
I apologize.
Okay.
I'll step out until we're back. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So don't pull that Yard person out of there. Yes. Yeah. Oh, okay, sure. Is that what we do? Okay.
And it's sit down on face here in front of the computer. Sit down right here and sit down.
What's your name, sir?
Joshua Bennett.
All right, Mr. Bennett.
Hey, Your Honor. I was here earlier today, and I got released on my other charges, and then they brought this charge up like before I got released like this. So I want to let you know that.
You have a warrant for driving on a suspended license out of Nogales City
Yeah.
Court. So I'm going to release you, and you need to come back to court December 17th at 9 o'clock there, or they'll issue another warrant for you. Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. That's it.
Thank you.
We're downstairs with the mail. Wait. Yes, sir. Brooks, or not Brooks, Tate.
Miss Million,
Mr. Tate,
how you doing, Miss Million?
I'm good. Now happy to see you. You
I
got an
know.
old DUI from Justice Court, really old. So I'm going to hold you on a $500 bond and appoint William Parvin to represent you. And they will see you December 1st at 1 p.m. And
Yeah.
then you got an old DUI from City Court with failures to appear. So I'm going to hold you on a $500 bond on those and appoint the city public defender.
Yeah, the real I was in a bad accident. Terrible accident. I would have took care of this, and I'm the only one working.
Okay. Well, I'm not gonna let it go. You got 2 of these failures to appear for driving under the influence. So you can talk to your lawyers, and the city court one will be set for December 5th, and the justice court one is set for December 1st, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Out the door, down the stairs, filled with nails. Bell. Yeah. Nope, oops.
What's your name?
Brianna Bell.
You're charged with domestic violence assault, 2 counts, and domestic violence disorderly conduct, 2 counts. I am going to order you not to commit any acts of domestic violence, no alcohol or illegal drugs, and you need to come back to city court on December 29th at 10 o'clock, or a warrant will issue for your arrest. You understand?
We'll
What
get you,
day?
we'll get you paperwork for all the
Okay.
dates.
Okay.
All right.
Yes.
Out the door, down the stairs, filled with females. Brooks.
What's your name?
Outbursts?
Daniela?
Yes.
Okay, you're charged with 2 counts of domestic violence, disorderly conduct. I'm going to order you not to commit any acts of domestic violence, and you need to come back to city court on December 29th at 9 o'clock, or a warrant will issue for your arrest. You understand?
Yes.
All right, then you're released.
Right, man. Out the door, down the stairs, filled with females. Larza.
What's your name?
Mark. Chrissy right now?
Mark Galarza.
Yes.
You are charged with domestic violence. No, you're not. You're just charged with domestic violence, criminal damage. So I'm going to order you not to commit any acts of domestic violence, and you need to come back to city court on December 29th at 9:30, or a warrant will issue for your arrest. You understand?
Yep.
Okay, then you're released.
They're out the door, down the stairs, filled with male. Velasquez. Benny.
What's your name?
Jenny Velasquez.
All right, from today you have resisting arrest, threats and intimidation, criminal trespass, disorderly conduct and drug paraphernalia, and then it looks like you've got some other cases pending. So I am going to appoint the public defender to represent you, order you not to have any contact with any of the victims in any of your cases, not to return to any of the incident locations, no alcohol or illegal drugs. And I'm gonna hold you on a $500 bond, and your public defender will be out to see you, and your next court date will be December 5th at 1:45.
Oh, man, please let me go.
Nope.
Man,
All right, ma'am. Stand up. Out the door, down the stairs, filled with the females. All right, Your Honor, would you like us to go with Mr. Yard? We do have him now, or push him to the back? Same with Miss Thomas.
We can do them as long as the public defender's there. We can do them.
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Yard, yeah, coming up shortly. This way, though. Special.
Please, Chair, you're right. Hey, here you go. That's the judge right there.
All right. What's your name, sir?
Yeah.
Okay. And counsel, do you want to waive the reading of the?
I'll waive the reading.
charges? Okay. All
Yes.
right. So the state is asking for a $5,000 bond. Does the defense want to be heard?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm asking you to release him to pretrial services supervision, and I would just point out in the pretrial services report, he had a case dismissed recently due to lack of competency. I recognize in the state's recommendation, they say the competency is fluid, but there's no reason in his demeanor or any evidence the state has given, including the complaint, to think that his competency has changed from June until today. So for those reasons, Your Honor, I'm asking you to go ahead and release him and point out that the state can't achieve some sort of punishment simply by arresting him continuously and holding him for many, many months while competency hearings go on. And then when he's declared incompetent, just pound to go and then arrest him again on the next offense. That's really not what this is all about. His non-competence needs to be taken into consideration here. Thank you, Judge.
All right. Well,
Yeah, can I say something?
no,
No, I don't want you to say.
I will appoint the public defender and I will order the defendant. I don't know what I'll order him to do. Nothing probably. There's not really anything to get him to do. But I am gonna hold him on a $2,500 bond because he clearly said he wasn't even gonna try to do what he's supposed to do. So to me, that was concerning. So I will hold him on a $2,500 bond, appoint the public defender's office, and release the pretrial if posted, and set the preliminary hearing for December 8th at 1:30. And then he has, oh, I know, it's hidden in here. Mr. Yard has a misdemeanor shoplift charge. So I'm going to order him not to go back to the incident location, and we'll note that he has a felony. And I'll give him a lawyer and hold him on a $100 bond just because he'll get credit that way while he's in. And I will appoint Mr. Parvin to represent him. And then do you want me to set it like on the 3rd, like December 3rd if he has a felony? Yeah. Okay. All right. And then I'll set the pretrial on December 3rd at 1 p.m. on the Justice Court case. And that's it.
Linda Thomas. Hello. That's the judge.
All right. Are you Miss Thomas?
I am.
All right. I am seeing you from a case on November 26th, yesterday, with charging you with shoplifting, felony shoplifting, and then 3 counts of theft. And counsel looks like she has another hold, counsel. So do you object to a small bond?
Judge, I'm sorry to interrupt. So I had IAs this morning and the Tanya Thomas that we saw in the fugitive warrant is not this person. I
Really?
don't think this is Tanya Thomas.
So,
I apologize, Your Honor. They keep sending me, that's the second time they send me the wrong person.
never-
I apologize.
Okay.
Ms. Thomas, go to sleep.
So thank you. I'm glad that you were here for this. So, all right, well, we can keep moving until we get to her, I suppose. The real Miss Thomas.
Thomas Tanya, Tanya. Okay, folks, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, bye. Sit there, man.
All right, what's your name, sir?
Angel Fingers.
All right, Mr. Fimbres, you are charged with possession of a narcotic drug, possession of drug paraphernalia, possession of a firearm during a felony offense, and possession of a defaced weapon. And I guess everyone agrees that you should be released to pretrial services.
Yes, Judge.
And I will order you not to possess any firearms, no alcohol or illegal drugs. I'll release you to pretrial services, appoint the public defender to represent you, and your next court date will be December 17th at 1:30 for a preliminary hearing. So call your lawyer, pretrial, and come to court, Mr. Fimbrace.
Your Honor, I believe this is a steps eligible case. Can we have a step screening hearing as well?
It wasn't checked on the box,
It's-
that's what it's saying.
It's not, the weapons charges take it out.
I understand. All right.
All right.
You can go out the door, sir, down the stairs, sit with the nails.
What's your name, sir?
Andrew Rios.
All right, Mr. Rios, it looks like you've got a warrant out of Maricopa County Superior Court from October 21st of 2024. 2 charges of aggravated driving under the influence. And I will release Mr. Rios to pretrial services. So, Mr. Rios, I'm going to release you, and you need to check in with our pretrial services, and then you need to report to Maricopa County Superior Court within 72 hours of release. Will you be able to do that? Well, let's say by Tuesday next week, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you don't, and you don't check in with pretrial, you'll end up with another warrant again. So that's December 2nd, okay, that you need to check in with them and see how you go about getting a court date for them, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and that is it then.
Rios, or Samosa, sorry, Rios, go out the door.
Your Honor, I need a brief moment with this defendant.
Okay.
Your Honor, I'm asking to continue Mr. Samosa's hearing to the morning. He has an alternative residence, but we need pretrial services to check that out. So he's going to give them a phone number, and they're going to have an amended report for you in the morning.
Okay, I will continue it till the next court date.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay.
the pretrial nurse. Right?
Is it possible, like, if my sister says it's okay too, I can go back to my services?
That's possible, but like pretrial services will call us, okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Ms. Vega. Ms. Vega, are you?
Yeah.
Here's the judge.
So,
What's your name, ma'am?
Karen Vega.
You're charged with possession of narcotics, drugs, and possession of drug paraphernalia. You may be eligible to participate in a diversion program called STEPS that requires you to participate in a plan specific to your needs for a short time. If you choose to participate and complete the program, these felony drug charges in your arrest report will be permanently dismissed without you ever being formally charged. Are you interested in that program, Ms. Vega?
Yes, ma'am.
So he's got a lot of failures to appear in other courts, counsel, so that is what I'm thinking here. All right, I will release you to pretrial services, no alcohol or illegal drugs. Appoint the legal defender to represent Ms. Vega. Do you want to waive time on the PH?
Yes, we'll have time on the PH.
So can I have a 45-day count on that? And then the steps hearing will be December 4th at 9 o'clock. And the PH will be yeah. We were 8th, 12th, okay. And the preliminary hearing will be January 12th of next year at 1:30. But the important thing is that steps hearing, ma'am, December 4th at 9.
Okay,
Then
thank you.
got a bunch of warrants that you need to take care of while you're being released on all of this. You have a justice court case for shoplifting. Don't go back to that incident location and come back to justice court on December 8th at 8:30. Then you have a South Tucson domestic violence case from 2018. So would you just go to court and take care of that one? So I don't have to.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. December 16th on that one at 10 o'clock in South Tucson. No acts of domestic violence. And then a city court case, domestic violence assault from 2023. So no acts of domestic violence on that one, and then come to court on December 30th at 9 o'clock, or warrant will issue for your arrest on that one, all right?
Yes, ma'am.
And that's it.
Are you talking about?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, come right up. Did you get a bond this morning on warrant? Okay.
All right. Are you Tanya Thomas?
Yes, I am.
Okay. And you are charged with shoplifting, felony 6, and 3 misdemeanor theft charges. And counsel, it looks like she's got a bunch of or at least one other hold on a fugitive warrant. And a Sarita case that I'm not seeing her on today. So do you object to the state's suggestion of an $1,100 bond on this?
I don't object to that low bond, Your Honor.
All right, so I will appoint the public defender to represent Ms. Thomas, order her not to go back to the incident location, and hold her an $1,100 bond. If the bond is posted, you're released to pretrial services, man. So you need to report to them. And other.
Your Honor,
Yes.
may I just ask if she has a fugitive warrant, perhaps she already has the legal defender's office representing her on that?
She does.
Yes, okay, well.
It might be wiser to just give her the legal defender here.
Okay, we will switch it to a legal defender instead of the public defender, December 8th at 1 o'clock or 1:30, because it's in Green Valley. Is it at 1 o'clock?
1:30.
1:30, okay. December 8th at 1:30 for the preliminary hearing. All right, thank you all.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good night.